to help creators or showrunners craft a fresh world or have our characters more fresh and more fleshed out without necessarily alienating what we've established from book one.
When we develop a Wattpad story into a screenplay, one of the things that we consider para magkaroon ng fresh take yung story or yung characters is that we take into consideration yung fan feedback, and which is one of the special qualities ng Wattpad story. Kasi yung course on Wattpad may immediate reaction or feedback from the fans. And minsan, pag nagsusulat ng Wattpad author, na i-incorporate niya agad yun habang sinusulat yung story niya, or minsan naman pag tapos yung story, hindi na siya nagiging part ng story. But we're grateful na yung Wattpad stories, nagkakaroon sila ng sariling buhay even outside Wattpad. So kami, we work with the creator to get yung feedback ng fans about particular characters or scenes na pwede nating ma-incorporate dun sa adaptation, even mga including mga fan art, mga recurring feedback ng fans about particular characters na pwede namin gamitin sa adaptation.
But Mr. Ryan, I'm very serious about what I said from a while ago. Any chance at a cameo for book 2?
Grabe kinabahan ako dun.
Yan, magka-cameo siya. Tsaka si author, eat more to be happy. Malay naman natin, di ba? Baka naman siya. Okay. So for Miss Lara, I'm Miss Lara.